Tuesday, August the 6th at 8:10 p.m. I came out and checked on these guys at 5 o'clock, and they were all laying down up behind the house over there in the shade behind the house. And I just come out here to check on them tonight because I know this is when they get up and they get their water and they go out grazing. And I find her here like this. Her stomach, she's already bloated up. Her tongue is already cold, and she's got green stuff coming out of her nose. And I see there's a couple of droplets of red there coming out of her mouth. I don't know what happened to her. She was fine. She was laying down up behind the mobile home there with the rest of them all afternoon. And it was about 5 o'clock when I checked on them. And she was supposed to get shipped out this weekend to get bred, because she'll be 2 years old in next June. In May, next May. But I just found her this way. I don't know what happened. She came for her grain this morning. I only give them a 5-gallon pail of grain for all 9 of them. And she's got a magnet in her. So it wouldn't be anything metal related. At 5 o'clock, about just before 5, they were all laying down up behind the mobile home there in the shade, where they lay down just about every afternoon. Jesus, Murphy. I tell you, my luck has lately just been horrible. Everybody else is fine. There's one over there. There's one there. There's one there. And there's one up there. When I came out to check, they were all down here getting a drink, and I was wondering, I thought she was just laying down there resting, but she looked like she was laying in an awfully weird position. Water tank's got water in it. I don't see any injuries on her. I rolled her over on the other side. This is basically the way I found her, right here. But I flipped her over to see if she was shot or something, but no, she hasn't been. And the vet's coming tomorrow for their yearly health checkup.